Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add background color to text in Affinity Designer. This is a great way to make your text stand out and create emphasis in your designs, whether you're working on posters, social media graphics, or any other creative project. Let's walk through this step by step. First things first, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens up, you'll be greeted with the main interface where all your design magic happens. If you're working with an existing project, you'll need to open the file where you want to add the background color to your text. Simply go to File and then Open, or use the keyboard shortcut to quickly access your saved projects. Navigate to where your file is stored and open it up. Now that your file is loaded, it's time to select the text you want to modify. Click directly on the text element that needs a background color. You'll notice that once selected, the text becomes active and various editing options appear in your toolbar. This is exactly where we need to be to make our changes. Next, direct your attention to the top center of your screen. This is where you'll find the highlight color option. Go ahead and click on Highlight Color. This feature is specifically designed to add that background color behind your text, creating that highlighted effect that really makes the words pop off the page. It's different from changing the text color itself, as it adds a solid block of color behind the letters rather than changing the letters themselves. After clicking on Highlight Color, you'll see a menu appear with different ways to choose your color. Look for the Swatches option and click on it. Swatches give you access to a predefined color palette that makes selecting colors quick and easy. You can browse through the available colors and pick the one that best fits your design aesthetic. Simply click on the color you want from the Swatches panel, and it will immediately apply as the background color to your selected text. And there you have it. You've successfully added a background color to your text in Affinity Designer, giving your design that extra visual punch it needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.